Ever feel like your paycheck disappears before the month even starts? You're not alone. But the good news? You can take control of your finances with a little planning and discipline. Budgeting might sound intimidating, but it's actually a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. A simple budget can change everything. It's not just about cutting back on expenses, it's about making sure your money is working for you. Imagine being able to save for that dream vacation, pay off your debts, or even just have a little extra cash at the end of the month. All of this is possible with a well-planned budget. Let's break down how to create a budget that actually works, step by step. The first step is to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. This might seem tedious, but it's crucial for building a solid financial foundation. First, you need to track your income and expenses. This means taking a close look at all the money you earn and spend each month. Take note of your salary, side hustle income, and any extra money coming in. It's important to account for every dollar, whether it's from your main job, freelance work, or even small gigs. This will give you a clear picture of your total income. Then, list all your expenses: rent, food, subscriptions, and even that daily coffee run. Don't forget to include irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions. The more detailed you are, the better. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to keep track. There are many tools available that can make this process easier and more efficient. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a basic Excel sheet can help you stay organized. A great budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is simple yet effective, and it can be adapted to fit your personal financial situation. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and bills. These are your essential expenses that you can't live without. 30% goes to wants, eating out, entertainment, and travel. These are the things that make life enjoyable, but aren't absolutely necessary. It's important to allocate some money for fun and relaxation. And the last 20%? That goes to savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for building a secure financial future. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, retirement, or paying off student loans, this portion of your budget will help you achieve your long-term goals. This balance keeps your spending in check while still letting you enjoy life. It's all about finding a healthy balance that works for you and your lifestyle. Now set up automatic transfers to your savings and bills so you don't even have to think about it. Automation can take the stress out of managing your finances and ensure that you're consistently saving and paying your bills on time. Over time, review your budget and make adjustments. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly reviewing your budget will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments as your financial situation evolves. If you're overspending on wants, cut back. It's okay to make sacrifices in the short term to achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember, every little bit helps. If you get a raise, increase your savings. This is a great opportunity to boost your financial security without feeling the pinch. The more you save now, the more you'll have for the future. Budgeting doesn't mean restricting yourself, it means giving yourself financial freedom. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can live the life you want without financial stress. Start today and take control of your money. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. It's never too late to take charge of your financial future. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's make it happen together.